What if I told you that Samsung's latest foldable phone just changed the game, leaving even the iPhone struggling to keep up? Sounds like a bold claim, right? But stick around because the Galaxy Z Fold 7 brings 5 groundbreaking features that Apple simply can't match. And trust me, the last one, it's a game changer. For years, the battle between Samsung and Apple has been intense. Apple's iPhones have always been known for premium design, seamless software, and powerful cameras. But here's the truth. Apple has been playing it safe with its upgrades. Meanwhile, Samsung is taking bold steps, especially in the foldable market. With the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Samsung isn't just refining its foldable lineup, it's redefining what a smartphone can do. So, what makes the Z Fold 7 better than the iPhone? Let's break it down. Let's start with the obvious, the foldable screen. While Apple is still perfecting flat slabs of glass, Samsung is pushing the limits of flexible technology. The Z Fold 7's massive 8.2-inch inner display gives you tablet-level productivity in your pocket, while the 6.5-inch outer screen offers a traditional phone experience. Apple? Still stuck on a single-screen design. And here's where it gets exciting. Samsung might have finally solved the crease problem. At MWC 2025, Samsung Display showcased a next-gen foldable screen with no visible crease. If that tech makes it into the Fold 7, it could be a huge win over every other foldable, let alone the iPhone. Now let's talk cameras. iPhones have always been great at photography, but Samsung is pushing the limits. The Z Fold 7 is rumored to feature a 200-megapixel main sensor. Yes, the same ultra-powerful camera from the Galaxy S25 Ultra. That's 4 times the megapixels of the iPhone's 48-megapixel sensor. And it's not just the numbers. Samsung is bringing a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens for capturing breathtaking landscapes, a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens for crazy zoom capabilities, an improved under-display selfie camera for a cleaner, notch-free experience. Meanwhile, the iPhone? Still relying on the same camera setup it's used for years. Here's something the iPhone doesn't have, and might never have: S Pen support. Rumors suggest Samsung has redesigned the S Pen specifically for the Z Fold 7, making it smoother and more responsive. That means note-taking, sketching, and productivity on a foldable device, something Apple's iPhone can't match. Imagine editing photos, signing documents, or even playing games with precise stylus input, all on a massive, flexible screen. Foldables used to be bulky and heavy, not anymore. The Z Fold 7 is rumored to be Samsung's thinnest foldable ever, with these insane dimensions: 9.5mm thickness when folded, including camera bump, 4.5mm thickness when unfolded, making it the slimmest foldable yet. Compared to the iPhone's chunky 7.8mm frame, the Z Fold 7 is literally redefining premium design. Now let's talk power. The iPhone 16 series is expected to feature Apple's A18 chip, which will definitely be powerful. But Samsung isn't holding back. The Z Fold 7 will likely run on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite for Galaxy, bringing faster performance, better AI capabilities, and insane efficiency. Combine that with improved battery life, and you have a foldable that's both powerful and practical. So, is the Z Fold 7 finally the device that can outshine the iPhone? With a foldable display, insane cameras, an S Pen, and cutting-edge design, Samsung is offering something Apple simply can't match right now. But what do you think? Will Apple respond with its own foldable iPhone? Or is Samsung running away with the innovation crown? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Galaxy Z Fold 7, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. And if you're excited about Samsung's future, check out this next video on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, the biggest upgrade in years. You won't want to miss it. With that said, thanks for watching Techie Sumit, and until next time.